All right, we're multiplying monomials. Here we go. We're on lesson 4.3, and we're going to learn how to multiply these. Our essential question, can you multiply monomials? Remember, monomials are terms with one term. The very first thing that we have to learn is the rule of exponents. And notice I have this starred. When I multiply, notice I am adding the exponents. The a does not change. Notice when I multiply, all I'm doing is adding these little exponents right here. So let's go ahead and look at example 1. When I multiply, I don't change the y, and I add the exponents. 4 plus 2 is 6. When I multiply, I add the exponents. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Now, sometimes you don't like it when you have to multiply numbers. So notice we are actually multiplying the numbers. 4 times 5 is 20. And then with the n to the third and n to the second, I'm adding the exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. Moving on. This one's a little bit tougher, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one. I do have to multiply the numbers. I'm going to multiply them right here because I just think it looks cool. Notice these conveniently reduce. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So we get 12. When I multiply the x's, I add the exponents. 2 plus 3 is 5. And when I multiply the y's, I add the exponents. Invisible 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's not get confused when they throw a plus sign. So notice this plus sign right here. I'm going to show my work up. When I multiply, I have a negative 12. A and a to the fourth is a to the fifth. And b squared and b squared is b to the fourth. I'm going to put my plus sign right there. Invisible 1 times 2 is 2. A squared and a to the third is a to the fifth. B and b to the third is b to the fourth. So we always have to observe at the end, are these like terms? They are. A to the fifth, b to the fourth is the same. So now I have to go ahead and add like terms. So a negative 12 and a positive 2 is negative 10, a to the fifth, b to the fourth.